Hey my roses, what's up? Okay, so as you can see here, you know how people in the room have like that one chair full of clothes? Me, my bed frame. So cuz I was cleaning my closet and these stuff were like on the shelf, and I also did laundry. I have more on the like on my actual bed. Because this morning I was looking for a shirt and I was like, wait, I think I just washed it. Anyway, so I want to clean my closet and put it in order of color. So let me show you what it's looking like right now. Okay, so let me get the light. My closet has a light, bougie. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. See, like this was a mess with some stuff. I do want to like clean this too. This is fine. I would like to buy new ones eventually, like a new color. But I'm not stressing. I don't really care. I just put my underwears in like bras. So this is what it's looking like. Very mixed. I want to do it in color. I just feel like it would be easier, especially because I always wear like my black or like my certain colors. So I'm like, you know, I'm like, where is it? I did at first start with like dresses. You know, some dresses are here because I put it. But eventually it was like, okay, let me just put it where there's space. So I'm about to start going through it, color organizing it, and also seeing what I don't want no more. Or like just never wear and have to part ways with, because like, give it up. If you're not wearing it, it's okay not to have it. If you don't like it, it's okay. Well, I probably do like it, but like, it's okay. Okay, let me go get a few and start. Put it where it belongs. Sometimes I'm like, wait, is it too heavy? And then I remember my bed capacity is like 700 plus, I forget. So I'm like, it's fine, it's fine. Imagine I put all my clothes in, it's like 700 pounds, and then I sit on it and I'm the final straw. I would get so upset. Okay, I actually like this shirt. I had it for a while. I never got to, like, I never wear it. The thing is, would I ever wear it? I think that's the question I have to ask myself. I really would. But I feel like by the time I feel comfortable to wear it, it's not gonna fit me. Cause like, it's short, right? Like let me try it on, Okay, so I got this way before, like when I was heftier. But I like it. I feel like it's just fitting better now, you know what I mean? And like, obviously I wouldn't wear this shirt with it. But yeah, like, I do like it. But I feel like I need a tummy tuck. I'm not wearing no crop tops if my belly's gonna show through it. So I feel like I'm only gonna probably wear it when I get a tummy tuck. Like, I feel like after I get a tummy tuck, it probably might not fit. After I get a tummy tuck and lose weight, because like I want to get my tummy tuck, and by the time I get my tummy tuck, I hope to lose like more weight. So, but I feel like it's a keep. And I have like these normal tops that like I'm gonna keep. It's just a basic black top with a little, you know. The thing is also, they're short. I hate short tops. I did see a video saying like, oh, the world is healing. Like long tops are like normal, not even long, like normal length tops are coming back. I'm like, great, hurry up. Because I'm tired of buying a cute top and it cuts right there and then my stomach's out. Like, I want like, just right there. Just right there. Okay, yeah, I'm definitely keeping this one. I love this one. It's an off-the-shoulder black top. This top was actually my mom's when she was like it's kind of vintage now that I think about it. It's from like a Chanel, I think, like Pennington and Chanel, but like they don't have, like, it's really old. Like, I'm talking about when she used to go to the club like 20 years ago. But I'm gonna keep it because it's cute. It is a little short, but she was one of, like, she didn't mind that. Okay, we might have our first get rid of, because I like this shirt, but if I'm not mistaken, it gives me like I'm pregnant vibes because of the fit. It's not even me. Like, it's the little setup here. Like, I feel like it looks, I don't like it from the side. If I was pregnant though. But yeah, it's gonna go. I do like this part, but I wish this part was a little more, you know. Yeah, because I'm not really feeling it. Even with the tie, like, I'm not really, I don't know. It's not like me. Like, yeah. But I do like the whole idea. Maybe, see, the jackets are like cropped. Yeah, like, see, like that would eat. But, yeah, no, it's going. For real, it could also be the size. I just feel like it's so, like, I got this shirt. I think it's cute. I might wear it this summer. It's like a little tube top with this like wood detailing. I like it. Yolanda said like she didn't like it when I got it. But I think it's gonna be cute. Like, I'm keeping it. I feel like some stuff I like, but some stuff I have to part ways with. Example like this, right? You know how I like to buy, I tell you guys all the time, I like to buy mini dresses so I could wear for shirts. This was a mini dress I bought when I was like hefty. And I like it, and a part of me is like, keep it, like you could still pull it off as a shirt. But in reality, like there's just too much extra fabric, and I'm like, okay, you know what? I could legit wear it as a dress now, like how it's supposed to be worn. So I'm thinking, give. And I think I'm gonna ask Emma if she wants it because I feel like she would like this. Yeah.
I don't like it. No, I feel suffocation.
When I do videos for Shein, sometimes I accidentally ask for the same stuff twice. Are they different sizes? But yeah, so I have two of these. I'm like, do I give one to Yolanda? But I do like the top. I remember last time I tried it, it was a little tight. And I'm like, how many times, like I'm not obsessed with it. Like this is not a top I would want to wear twice a week vibes if one is dirty, emergency, you know? So we'll give one away. I love this dress. I just got it like recently. I feel like I could wear this in the summer here. I don't know why I feel awkward dressing nice in Canada. I feel like I have to be out of town to dress like this, but we're gonna change that. Like this I just got for the vibe, you know, just. This is also like one of the vintage vibe. Okay, it's from AE Sports. I don't know, but it was my mom's. Okay, so this I got to go into like my grown woman era. I hate it. Not because the grown woman vibe, it's just the whole look of it. I almost had a BF because I freaking almost thought this was another one of those shirts. But I got these cute button-up shirts for like my grown vibe. You know, I feel like button-up gives like cute, grown. But those I like. Keep. And this cute set. I'm about to break out the set soon. Like, the weather's getting nice. Like, so I got this cute like jean jacket wrap around. It's just too much going on, as in like I have no idea how to wear it nicely, and I'm not gonna try. So yeah, I was thinking of maybe asking Emma if she wanted it, and she could cut off the straps and kind of wear it like as a jacket. I'm gonna give her the option when she gets home. Wait, is that like
jeans?
It's a jacket, but I feel like it could eat if you cut out the strings. Cut it, you know?
Yeah, I feel like it's gonna give me grown. It's giving grown, and I'm looking like Michael.
Okay, for real, it looked ugly on you. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh.
I'm down in my closet. I'm actually like, crouching right now. Oh, my knees. Okay, so we have, well, over here in the corner, we have like gym shirts, you know, because I didn't want to mix them with my clothes. So then we have black, gray. Then we have some like creamy and then brown. Some white, green, purple, blue, red, pink. I noticed I'm definitely my go-to color. Then gray. And then pink. And then the rest. So yeah, this is basically my closet all organized by color. After looking at all the colors I have, I feel like it's the perfect ratio. Because I do enjoy wearing black. Okay, so ignore my room, it's a mess. I'm putting my clothes away and blah, blah, blah. So, today is April 15th. Today is the day basically at the gym that you don't have to wear your boots anymore. So I could show up in my shoes. This is my gym bag. I recently put my scanner on here. But now that I don't need to put my running shoes, I'm thinking, do I switch over to this one? So it's okay. I got the inspo from like what's that? Oh yeah, Lululemon, I think. I don't know. They had like a little cute gym bag. Like you just use your gym, like a small little thing. But I saw this bag and it kind of gave like Adidas vibes. Do you see it? But it's actually a lunchbox. But I feel like you can't really tell. It kind of like, it doesn't look like one. So, oh look, I still have the receipt. I bought it on special, if I'm not mistaken, $10. Oh, 14. I bought it in 2023. Yikes. Never used it. Okay, so I feel like I should switch over to it. It fits my water bottle, my headphones, and I feel like I should put the charm on it. It fits right on. With my little scanner. Usually I leave it on the car keys, but the car was in the garage and I wasn't sure if I was gonna go, so I took it off. Okay, actually I decided I'm gonna film like a little short of what I put in my gym bag because I'm trying to post more content and, you know. But yeah, so do you think it's cute or it's giving cringe?